Hello, my name's Sketchy, and we're gonna draw some pictures today. We're gonna sketch something. The first thing we're gonna do is introduce you to my drawing supplies, which are a blue pencil. Check this out. And the reason I use blue is because it's light. And I have a black pencil, and I've got this really fancy. Check this out. It's because I use the whole pencil. I get a little handle here. It's so fun. Makes me feel fancy like an artist. I also have, of course, my soda pop. And I have some snacks, because whenever you're drawing, you need to have some snacks and some soda pop. I don't really know what I'm going to draw today, so I'm just going to explore by scribbling. For some reason, I often start with a circle. Today, I'll make a little oblong. Another oblong. That's really gross. It's starting to look like a tarantula face. Ooh, let's draw a tarantula face. The little hooks. I hate spiders. And they have like a bunch of little eyes. I have no idea how many eyes they have, but that's really, really gross. And then they're kind of furry, I think. Oh my gosh, I'm already freaking out. These are long furs. And I imagine, let's see, it's kind of creepy. I don't want to touch it. There's a body back here? Probably a body back here. I'll just kind of hint that there's a body. In the meantime, do we want to draw like anime eyes? Yeah, let's make it a cute one. Okay, got the general idea here. Now we're going to tighten up with my black pencil. And I'm going to start with the eyes. Just draw those in. Then I'm going to draw a little highlight. Oh, that's so freaky. And it's kind of like half a circle here, half a circle here, and then connect the circle and fill it in. Oh, that is so freaky. Half a circle, like an hourglass, sort of. What that does is it kind of makes it look like a highlight. See that? Sparkly eyed spider. And they look kind of wet. And of course, super, super creepy. Ooh. I'm gonna start drawing the fuzzy head. Just changing direction. Change direction. Make it random. Oh, so fuzzy. Now these are longer. So I'm gonna use my whole shoulder on this. These are probably gonna be fuzzy. And imagine these fangs just hanging out like this. Big old fangs. There's poison in there. Let's see if there's poison. That's super gross. Scribble that in. Oh, yeah, that's gross. A little bit scary. Let's do it right here. Around. Looks like eyelashes right now. That's creepy. Oh, let's get some long ones. Make it really. Of course, my tongue has to go crazy. Let's darken this part right down here to make it look like it's like a ball, sort of. Just darken all that. Like a sphere would have a highlight right here, so it's shadowy here. Darken right around these eyes, because I want those eyes to pop more. Yeah. Oh yeah. Man, here's the body back here. There is a spider. Time to celebrate with a little swig of my swig.